25-degree heat and I'm about to go play tennis. Your girl needs some serious sun care protection. I'm trying out the Allies of Skin, the One SPF 50. This is their latest innovation. Look at that texture. It's an invisible SPF gel. It glides on so seamlessly. I'm applying 3 fingers to cover my whole face. Always need the protection on my nose in particular, the tops of my cheeks, and my ears, because I always burn the top of my ears. I'm so impressed how this is going on though. It doesn't feel sticky at all. It feels really silky. There's no white cast at all, and it's completely invisible on my skin. What's more, it doesn't feel heavy either. So let's put this to the test. Okay, so I might not be a natural tennis player, but I've got high hopes. Not only is it factor 50 protection, but it's also 80 minutes sweat and water resistant. I'm gonna need that. Oh, turns out there might be a little Emma Raducanu in me after all. Well, ignore the grazed knees. Let's see how this SPF has fared up after an hour of very sweaty tennis. As you can see, I'm quite red-faced and yes, definitely sweaty, but I can tell you the SPF still feels incredible on my skin. It hasn't run, it hasn't dripped into my eyes. I can still feel the layer of protection over my face, and I can tell you it's definitely the winner for me.